Okay, so I've gone over it way too many times about spray foam, not the biggest fan. In situations like this, it should work pretty good. Just use it responsibly. Don't put too much in, don't make a mess, and that's all I'm gonna say. Obviously you can't do it where the shims are. On that. And this is window and door insulation, so it should expand. It's minimally expanding. See, right there, I probably did too much, but I'm gonna end up letting this cure and cutting off all the excess afterwards. Now I'm gonna cut all this excess spray foam out of here. Make way for my trim. I'm sure there's a better tool. This kind of stinks right now. Now, what I'm curious about is if this sneaky spray foam made its way inside. Nope, so that worked. So now to clean the rest of this up, I have some spray foam on the Tyvek. There's some extra on here. There's also the old caulking right here. And then there's some spray foam on the J channel, but this J channel is being replaced. I'll still show you how to remove it. So I'm gonna use a combination of things. First, paint scraper should do a pretty good job doing most of it. Ripping the Tyvek. Sorry, home wrap. No brands here, no brands. And then a sanding sponge should take it off of stuff like this J channel. Just be careful. Might scratch it up a little bit. If this is your only option, you might have to work at it, but it will come off.